All right, so I was gifted this item by the company in exchange for a review. These are my own opinions on the product. So this is the Coolhand folding blade. What I really like about this, is the carbon fiber handle. The overall length is under 7 inches. The handle itself is under 4 inches, and the blade is under 3 inches. It's got a net ounce weight of 2 ounces. It's very lightweight, very sharp. So if you're in the market for an everyday carry blade, I highly recommend checking out this one. Thanks for watching.